Hey guys, and welcome to this channel. If you're wondering how to manifest or live your best life and be the main character of your life, stay tuned for this video because I'm going to break it down to you so simple you'll be manifesting before you know it.
Oh, just stay till the
Basically, manifestation and the law of attraction is basically when you think about the thing and you feel it, you bring it into your life. Like if you want to be richer, all you have to do is believe. Or if you want to be successful or attract a certain love, all you have to do is believe. And you may be thinking, why is that so simple? That's way too simple. First thing you got to do is clear your limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs, it's going to hinder your belief, because when you bring into something into the physical realm, you have to believe in it 100%. Like, okay, I want to attract $1 million. I want to attract being rich and attract money always coming to me, but you have a scarce mentality, you're not going to attract money. If you're always thinking, oh, I never have enough, something always bad happens, or of course, this is how it's always been, it's gonna block you from attracting money. Say you're female and you're like, men ain't shit, they always cheat, they always leave, they always break up with me. That's a limiting belief. Acknowledge that these limiting beliefs are from the past. So if it's always been like that, it won't always be like that. That's just my experience from the past. From here on out is a whole new me. Figure out what it is that you want, but why? A love or a partner. Why do you want this job? Why do you want to lose weight? Why do you want XYZ that you're trying to attract? And when you get to the reason of it, you want money because you want to be secure. You want money because you want power. You want money because you want to be able to do this and travel or be free. You want this love because you want to feel loved. You want to give love. You want to experience things with someone. Or you want the success of this job because it brings security, it brings worth. Do you understand? That's actually why you want the thing. And when you realize what you want, it suddenly takes the pressure off of the thing coming to fruit. And you want to focus on the why. You need to start feeling as if it's already happened. So you want to feel loved. So you want to attract a person in your life because you want to feel loved. Well, start feeling loved. Start loving yourself. Start bringing in love from strangers. Start feeling love from family and loved ones and friends. That is the key, the ultimate key to manifesting. When you start holding it, it's the same with also healthy, by the way. You want to lose weight because you want to be healthy and feel confident. Well, start feeling confident in the skin you have now. Start feeling what it feels to be healthy. Start feeling, oh, I feel good. I feel like I just ran a marathon, even though I haven't yet. For example, I want to grow this channel so large. I don't want to be an influencer. I don't want to be an influencer, but I do want to grow this channel. I want to make money off of it. I want to create a platform. I want to create videos that millions of people watch. So why do I want that? I want that because it's a feeling of accomplishment. I want it because I feel worthy. I want it because it's secure. I want it because I feel like I've made it. So the whole point is to feel as if it's already happened. Those feelings you get after it's already. So after you feel what it feels to have just accomplished the thing, take another deep breath. Now call that best friend of yours, or that person you go to for everything, whether it's your parent or your best friend or your boyfriend or your girlfriend, your husband or your wife, whoever that person is in your life, you're now on the phone with them. Dude, I just checked my bank account, $100,000. I look fit, I am healthy, I lost the weight I always wanted, I look great. But that's all it takes. That literally is it. And then let it go. When you obsess over it, you get a desperation and needy, negative vibration that turns off the law of attraction from coming to you sooner. High vibrations. To get into a high vibration, high vibrations attract what you want faster. So how do you get that? Be grateful. Write it down or say it out loud. Go for a walk and count how many things you're grateful for right now. And when you do that, it activates automatically, whether you know it or not, or believe it or not, a high vibration. Then that will help you attract. Comment your favorite color heart. Show your aura. Show your colors. All right, bye guys.